Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Smart Travel Japan. We stayed historical San Francisco Bay, Argonaut Hotel suite room also show you spectacular aerial view of Golden Gate, Alcatraz, and Pier 39 Fisherman's Wharf. The Argonaut Hotel is whimsical bay hotel. This boutique hotel inhabits a renovated early 20th century fruit cannery warehouse, with exposed red brick walls, wooden plank floors and nautical-themed interior design that incorporates vintage steamer trunks and antique telescopes. The San Francisco Maritime National Historic Park Museum and Visitor Center is adjacent to the lobby. This suite's rooms feature stunning views, thoughtful amenities, and award-winning service. The generously sized rooms exude character and originality, with custom finishes that highlight the historic brick walls and timber beams. The Argonaut Hotel is immersed in the intrigue of the Gold Rush City, with sweeping bay views and access to historic sites, cuisine, and nightlife. Beautifully set by the waterfront, this boutique hotel is just steps from Fisherman's Wharf, Ghirardelli Square, and Pier 39. Hop on a cable car over the hill to Union Square in Chinatown. Ride aboard a ferry to Alcatraz Island. The drone took off from Aquatic Cove westbound to Golden Bridge, then eastbound to Alcatraz Island, southbound towards to San Francisco downtown, fly over to Pier 39 Fisherman's Wharf. Around 8 miles aerial view. Fort Mason. 1,200-acre greenbelt on the city's northern waterfront, you'll find endless options for relaxation and stimulation. This former military installation, with its spectacular view of the Golden Gate, is headquarters for the National Park Service and the Golden Gate National Parks Conservancy. A lush meadow slopes down to the waterside Fort Mason Center, where on any day or night you'll find museum shows. East Harbor Gashouse Cove. Marina green grass areas are 70 acres, great neighborhood fields to play at. Sailing San Francisco Yacht Club, Rolex Clock Tower. Golden Gate Bridge. Opened May 27, 1937. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge spanning the Golden Gate, the 1-mile-wide 1.6-kilometer strait connecting San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. The most photographed bridge in the world. At the time of its opening it was both the longest and the tallest suspension bridge in the world, titles it held until 1964 and 1998 respectively. Its main span is 4,200 feet 1,280 meters, and its total height is 746 feet 227 meters. Outbound tidal current is strongest about 4 hours after high water at the Golden Gate Bridge and attains a velocity in excess of 6 knots at times. The incoming large swells are met by outbound tidal current causing very rough and dangerous conditions over the bar. Ocean was little rough and gusty wind. You can see white cap. Alcatraz Island is a small island 1.25 miles (2.01 kilometers) offshore. The island was developed in the mid-19th century with facilities for a lighthouse, a military fortification, and a military prison. In 1934, the island was converted into a federal prison, Alcatraz Federal Penitentiary. The strong currents around the island and cold water temperatures made escape nearly impossible, and the prison became one of the most notorious in American history. The prison closed in 1963, and the island is now a major tourist attraction. It's partly Clint Eastwood's fault. His 1979 film Escape from Alcatraz presented inconclusive conclusions on one of the island's enduring mysteries. It told the true story of three men, Frank Morris and brothers Clarence and John Anglin, who made it out of the prison in June 1962 and were never seen again. Nobody knows for sure whether they made good their escape or drowned in the attempt. True stories like that, and other, embellished, tales of man-eating sharks and killer currents spread by prison guards as a deterrent, contributed to the mythology of unassailable Alcatraz and the impossible swim. San Francisco's downtown is a captivating mix of historic landmarks and modern vibrancy. The financial district showcases iconic skyscrapers, Market Street buzzes with urban energy, and Union Square offers premier shopping. The waterfront, featuring the Ferry Building, provides stunning bay views. Historic cable cars traverse the city's hilly terrain, creating a unique and dynamic urban landscape. Pier 39 at Fisherman's Wharf is a bustling waterfront hub famed for its sea lion gatherings, eclectic shops, and seafood delights. It offers a vibrant blend of entertainment, dining, and maritime charm, making it a quintessential San Francisco experience. Pier 45 has historical significance and has been a hub for maritime activities in San Francisco for many years. It houses the SS Jeremiah O'Brien, a fully functional World War II Liberty ship that is now a museum. The pier also serves as a working fishing pier, with commercial fishing boats bringing in fresh catches. I love Skoma's seafood restaurant. Local fishermen bring their catch to Skoma's pier, and chef selects the very best seafood for our pier-to-plate menu. Del Monte Cannery, a historic area in San Francisco known for its former fruit and vegetable canning. Argonaut Hotel has a rich history and was indeed a cannery in the past. The hotel is situated in the Haslett Warehouse, which was built in 1907. The warehouse was used for storing and processing cargo, including goods from the nearby Del Monte cannery. Over the years, the building underwent renovations and was eventually transformed into the Argonaut Hotel, which opened in 2003. Hyde Street Cable Car Turnaround is a notable stop for the city's iconic cable car system. Located at the intersection of Hyde and Beach Streets, this station serves as the terminus for the Powell-Hyde cable car line. Hyde Street Pier is a historic waterfront site offering a glimpse into the city's maritime past. Home to a collection of well-preserved historic ships, it serves as a maritime museum where visitors can explore vessels and learn about the rich nautical heritage of the region. Aquatic Cove is a part of the larger Aquatic Park Historic District. The area includes a historic bathhouse, maritime museum, and a beach. It is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, offering opportunities for swimming, picnicking. In the early 1900s, San Francisco traffic comprised a mix of horse-drawn carriages, cable cars, and emerging automobiles. The bustling streets witnessed a dynamic blend of transportation modes, reflecting a transitional period as the city embraced the dawn of the automotive era amidst traditional modes of transportation. The times have changed, and now self-driving cars have begun to traverse this town. Well, how will this town transform in the future? Let's call it for the day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.